Today I'm reviewing the Hada Labo Premium Lotion, and really quick, I just want to say I purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsor ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the link below. And I usually have a dinosaur game that I play on my phone, so I had to start recording, so I had to hand it to cameraman. He won! Good job. Success, he killed all 3 dinosaurs with my Pearlith dinosaur, so I don't know.
Dork.
I know. Pokemon, dinosaurs, Jurassic World, I'm a dork. That's okay. Okay. So, they say it's a mildly acidic lotion infused with 7 kinds of hyaluronic, which come in a rich texture that provides instant and long-lasting hydration. Free of fragrances, colorants, essential oils, alcohol, and parabens. Packaging utilizes eco-friendly materials. Okay. So, we're all into hyaluronic acid, but you know what? It can be a good ingredient when you're looking for it and when you use it properly. I'm not fond of seeing it in every single product, but there we go. Okay, so my first criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging. I actually like the packaging of this because it's pretty easy. And some of their other ones have like a little push dispenser. This one's really nice, so no issues at all with that. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those, so that's great for some people with sensitive or very dry skin. No fragrance in it. Makes it even nicer for sensitive skin. Nicer. Is nicer a word? I'm nicer than you. Yeah, it is. Like, you're nicer than me. That's a word. Okay. Welcome to English with Sarah. Or what do they call it? Vocabulary in school? Whatever. I don't know. I shouldn't be teaching English anyway. Okay, so manufacturing location for this one is Japan, so no issues with that. So ease of use, so they recommend taking an appropriate amount in the palm of the hand and patting it on cleansed skin. You can also use it with a cotton pad. However, I found it's just a little bit too thick for that most of the time. So you're going to want to just pat it on cleansed skin. And then after that, you can apply your serums, ampules, moisturize. You will want to apply something after this. You don't want to just use this and then nothing else, because hyaluronic acid, especially if your skin is dry and the environment is dry, it's going to be more dry. Your skin can be rebound effect. So definitely want to do that. Okay, let me do a quick pH test so you guys can see where it's at. Wrong side. Okay, so the pH for this one looks like it's right about 5, so no issues with that. And the garbage can is like 8 miles away from me. Cameraman, would you be so kind as to throw that away for me? Thank you. And then here is the texture of this, just so you see it. It's kind of a thicker... It's almost like a thicker gel lotion, which is wonderful. Feels really nice and soothing and hydrating on your skin. Does take a few minutes to absorb. They say you can pat it on. In my version of patting it is more like slapping myself in the face. I'm not exactly sure why, but there we go. Yeah, so no issues with ease of use. Very, very easy to use. Just recommend making sure to use something over this so the hyaluronic acid absorbs. And you apply something occlusive so you don't get that rebound drying effect. So, okay. Let's talk about the beneficial ingredients of this one. Lots of hyaluronic acid, but let's start from the top. Okay, we've got hydroethyl urea, which is a urea derivative. It's a strong moisturizer and humectant. It helps the skin cling onto water, makes it hydrated and elastic. We've got super hyaluronic acid. As if hyaluronic acid is enough, we've got the super hyaluronic acid. Which is a variation of hyaluronic acid where they add some molecules onto it to make it even more moisture retentioning. So it's super hyaluronic acid because it's even more of a humectant. Then we've got sodium hyaluronic, we've got hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, sodium hyaluronic cross polymer, which are all humectants, moisturizing ingredients, humectants, all variants of hyaluronic acid and sodium hyaluronate. Then we've got hydrogenated starch hydrolysate, which is another humectant. We've got sorbitol, which is a sugar-based humectant. We've got polycordium 51, which is a biocompatible copolymer that has the same structure as cell membrane ingredient phospholipid. It's a good skin moisturizer, leaves a silky smooth feeling on skin and helps reduce irritation caused by other ingredients like surfactants and things like that. So, very nice ingredient list. You can see my hand. It sets to kind of a tacky finish, which is another reason why you'll want to use something over it. But it does definitely plump up the skin and make it look hydrating. So, a nice list of emollients and humectants. No good crazy antioxidants or anything like that, but just humectants, hydrating ingredients, which are always needed in your routine at some point. So, okay, in terms of animal testing, Hada Labo rhodomentholatum is not cruelty-free, unfortunately, so always a disappointment. Performance, so I like this. It gives your skin a nice boost of humectants. It's very easy to use. You can use it with a good serum moisturizer, which will even increase your skin's hydration. I mean, look at the hand I applied it to versus the one I didn't. You can tell it's much more hydrated and smooth and plumped. So the other thing is it's very friendly for acne-prone skin. Only one ingredient of note, and that's carbomer, which is very low on the comedogenic rating. So, although some people have found hyaluronic acid can be kind of breakout causing for some people. I think it's because of the film and because it doesn't fully absorb, so just keep that one in mind. Okay, so this is the full size, 6 ounces, 170 milliliters. Retails for about $20. Oh, it's usually on sale somewhere for around $15 or even $10. A little bit of this goes a long way. One little drop covered my entire hand. So literally like 2-3 drops cover your entire face and neck. So it's very affordable. A little bit goes a very long way. In terms of the it factor, it's not a must-have product. It's a great fragrance-free hyaluronic acid product. Very easy to use, very affordable, which is nice, but definitely not a must-have. But if you're looking to give your skin a boost of moisture, hydration, or a good hyaluronic product with multiple types of humectants in here, this is a good one. So overall, with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one an 8. Pretty darn good. Not a must-have, but a good product. Worth trying, and a lot of people use it and really have good luck with it. So anyway, interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check it out yet, and what your thoughts are, or if you have another Hada Labo product you love, what is it? And what else do I need to review from them that you haven't seen yet? So leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. Hi, today I'm reviewing the Hada Labo Premium Lotion. Should I start or not yet?
Go ahead.
Hey, do you just want to keep hitting this for a couple minutes? Just keep hitting whatever the first button is until I kill them all.